today let's build some boats. I'm gonna build one for me and baby brother. We're using one empty water container and a small noodles container. And then we are using some colors, decorate the boat, and I have some ice cream sticks. Both of where the flag stands, and this milk bottle wrapper from the milk bottle, and some string and tape and one pair of scissors. And you better be extra careful with scissors because you might get hurt. So, Mommy is helping me today. Mommy?
Yes, darling. Yeah, let's build a boat.
Yes.
So first
we need a tub.
yes, we have the tub now. So what we can do is we can put a hole here. I'm using this scissor.
Yes.
Yeah.
But mine doesn't need any cello tape.
Yeah,
Because you can just push it in.
that's right. That's right.
Like,
Because it has a lid on, so we can push it inside.
two flags are ready now. We just need to stick them in the boat.
Good. So you want to do this one?
Yes. It's ready. Now I need to add some string
Why we need to add strings?
so we can boat it.
Okay.
If we don't have strings, we can't boat it. The boat might fall off the waterfall, and we won't have any ideas how to get it back.
That's right. So we can hold on to the
Even if you pick up a big, strong, heavy rock, you can tangle it around and then it will hold up. You can hold the string like this. Weird. If the current is too strong, if a waterfall is there, you must wear what?
What?
The thing that you will use to go into water.
Oh, your chest waders.
Your chest waders so you can walk so strong in the current.
Yeah, chest waders are very good when you are exploring in the water, isn't it?
Yes, if the current is always going and going, you need a chest wader so you can walk strongly in the current if the waterfall is there. If you see a waterfall, you should wear a chest waders. And always make sure you go with the grown-ups. If you don't, you might get lost. Thank you, Mommy, for helping.
Oh, you're welcome, darling.
So now the boat is ready. See you on the next boaty adventure. Don't forget to watch our next boating adventure video.